Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set alarm in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. First, go to the home screen and click on clock icon. And already 6 a.m. alarm is set. If you want to use this alarm, just turn on this button. Otherwise, you can also set your own alarm. Click on this plus symbol to add new alarm and set the time for alarm. Here I set 5 a.m. and here you can select the days. Here I select all 7 days. If I select all days, every day on 5 a.m. alarm will be repeated. Also you can set some particular days only. So here I selected every Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. So these 4 days will have alarm on this particular timing 5 a.m. All other days like Monday, Wednesday, Friday will not have the alarm. Okay, you can also set alarm for particular date. For example, if you are going to a function for a particular date, for example, if you would like to go to a marriage function on March 22 2023, just select the date and click on done. On the date only, on 5 a.m. Alarm will be appeared. Alarm will be ringing, and you can easily wake up using this. And you can also remember that yes, this is the marriage you would like to go. Okay, you can easily decide. Okay, for that also alarm name option available, so you can just make note of this front marriage. So whatever the function, whatever the purpose you are going to set your alarm, just write the purpose here as a note. Then you can remember that for this purpose you set that alarm. Okay, then alarm sound. If you would like to get the alarm sound, just turn on this button. For alarm it's necessary, and just keep it on. And also if you would like to get the vibration along with your alarm, turn on this button. Otherwise turn off this button. Okay, so in alarm sound, click over it and you can set up a tone. This is like setting up a ringtone will be set as a alarm tone. Just click on ringtone and select any tone that you want to hearable on the day of alarm. Okay, this is the alarm I set this alarm and it is set now. Okay, go back. And then vibration, click on vibration. Here basic call is defaultly selected. If you want to choose other option, yes, you can do it. Short, medium, basic call. Okay, that is a long ringing call, like that vibration will occurs. And heartbeat, tick tock, words, jig jig jig, silent. Okay, if you don't want, then just keep on silent, otherwise turn it off. Okay, just select basic call. This is fair. And then snooze, click on snooze. Here if you would like to get snooze time, for example, if you are lazy at the time, just you can you can postpone your alarm to 5 minutes. Okay, and it will repeat off 3 times. Okay, so how much times you would like to get interval, just you can select from here. Up to 30 minutes you can use, or otherwise you can also set custom minute. Okay, up to 60 minutes you can set. Okay, if you set 55 minutes means after 5 a.m. 5:55 a.m. it will ring. Okay, so don't keep too much. If you have time, and then it's okay. Okay, suppose if you are going later, like 8 a.m. If you have time, if you can prepare yourself within those time frame, you can extend your time as per your wish. That's your personal matter, but keep it short. Okay, that's fine. So just here I would like to always set 10 minutes. That's enough for me. Okay, for simple laziness, just select 10 minutes. And 5 times. 5 times means after 10 minutes, again, if you feel lazy, then you can just postpone, and it will ring after 10 minutes again. After up to 5 times it will repeat. Forever means it will repeat after every 10 minutes, okay, until you get up it will repeat, okay. So don't go to that extent, just use your alarm purposefully, and enjoy. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.